Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. Keeping pretty simple today. We obviously don't have time to start our other unit before Christmas break, so I figured I'd just kind of give you guys some easy point earning opportunities. I'm kind of looking at stuff that I would like to look at closer during the unit, but we just don't have time. So here's one thing that I would like to look at today. It's the Battle of Cannae. It was on the quiz, one of the biggest battles from like the Punic Wars. So here's the assignment today. You got the CRT for people who are familiar with it. You just got to answer these questions. Again, there's only a few of them. What's the main point? List 3 important facts. List 2 questions. And then how does this fit into what we're studying? Are the big ones. And again, it's pretty simple, so make sure you actually have 3. I deduct points if you have 2 or 1. I mean, it's pretty simple. Same thing for the 2 questions. Make sure you have 2 questions. All right. So, but that's the assignment. The article you're going to be reading is all about that battle. It's just going to bring you to a History Channel article here. You'll be able to kind of read through it, get some of the main points, and then you'll be able to be done with the day. Basically, once you get done reading it, filling out their CRT, turn it in for 10 easy points, and that's our day. If you haven't taken the Rome unit quiz yet, do that. I'll be grading those today, and I'll be getting all the late work graded today. To move us into tomorrow, which is our last day. And I think tomorrow is going to be more of a study hall day, late work makeup day. I think I'm going to give some extra credit points out for kids who have no missing assignments. So they made it through distance learning with no missing assignments. I think I'm going to give you some bonus points on the last assignment we do, which is going to end up becoming the Battle of Cannae CRT. So if you have no missing work done and you see a couple extra points on this assignment in the gradebook, don't worry, it was on purpose. And then the people who have missing work can use that day to get caught up a little bit before we move into the next unit. But that's it, guys. Have a good Monday. Email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys tomorrow briefly.